Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of an epic showdown here at Noodles Unboxed, where we pit Chongqing, a classic guy, versus Chongqing hipster dude. Is it, as the saying goes, out with the old and in with the new? Or as the other saying goes, are we going to discard the baby along with the bathwater? Let's find out.
This week's soup, as well as the one from last week, are both from the same company, Guangyou 1992. What a fantastic name for a synthwave track. Chongqing is not only the name of the dish, but also the name of the city where this dish originated from. One of the heroes in this dish is the Szichuan pepper, an unusual little kicker that, unlike other peppers, does not inflict unbearable pain, but gives off a numb, tingling sensation. Pleasant. Why does the Chongqing cuisine often feature the Szechuan pepper, even though it is not a part of the Szechuan province? I mean, okay, of course you're allowed to eat New York cheesecake outside of New York City and drink champagne outside of France. It would be a shame if you couldn't. They go so well together. But there's a more logical explanation. I'll tell you that fun fact in a little bit, once we get this unboxing show on the move. You see, I thought last week's package was good, but here we are greeted by not 3 but 4 individual bags. This is a head start already. The non-fried sweet potato noodles seem too familiar, so they go straight into the bowl without any further explanation. This brownish oil is the sauce, containing sesame seeds and spices like star anise, cinnamon and bay leaf. Next up is an even darker liquid. From the scent it's immediately clear, we're dealing with the black vinegar. Surprisingly, not a superhero in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, but still a staple in many Asian dishes. Last but not least, the seasoning contains some bok choy and other dried vegetables. My mom's gonna be so proud. But not only that. Oh no, ladies and gentlepeople, actual Szechuan peppercorns. I'm excited. Oh, that reminds me. Chongqing was a part of Szechuan up until 1997. Then it sort of got upgraded into a city that is not part of any province or state, but is controlled directly by the government. However, Chongqing is still part of the same region and of course still shares a lot of history with Szechuan. Now, I don't know if this fact was really fun, but it is historically relevant to this soup. But what's even more relevant is, how does it taste? And who won this showdown? Or should I have said chowdown? What a missed opportunity, brah.
I gotta say, Chongqing hipster dude isn't just about looks, although this autumn color palette sure looks nice, but it's also very pleasing to the taste palette. Like his predecessor, this soup has a distinct Szechuan flavor, but it's balanced nicely with black vinegar acidity and the herbs that are in the package. There are no black-eyed peas in this one, but the presence of pieces of mushroom and sesame seeds give it a bite of their own. And because there are actual peppercorns in there, the soup is not just spicy, but tingly as well. Very pleasant. Classic Chongqing guy is, like most of our dear elderly, old but sweet. If you want a straightforward, traditional Szechuan experience, go for that one. If you're more of an adventurer like me and you want more variation in your soup, then I think Chongqing hipster dude is the way to go. So I've made up my mind. Chongqing hipster dude, come out, you're my kind of guy. I guess I ate him. Anyway, if you've had either of these soups and would like to give comments, please do that in the comment section below. If you have, or even if you haven't, if you like noodles, or even if you don't like noodles, maybe you just like this video, click like and subscribe so that you'll be notified next time when we unbox some more noodles.